Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to request higher daily limits on Bluevine. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Of course, use your credentials to log into your account. Once you're in, go to settings and then select card management or limits. Now review your current daily limits for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and transfers, and you can just click request increase to request an increase. Now you're going to be asked to provide details such as why you need higher limits as well as what amounts you're requesting. Once you fill this up, just submit your request and Bluevine may review your account history, transaction volume, and overall activity before approving. Watch your email or in-app notification for confirmations, and if approved, your new limit will take effect immediately. Test the updates by making a transaction within your new limit range to ensure that it's processed correctly. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.